Here I'll talk about how to make geometry in CalculiX software. First of all, okay, let's start from scratch. Close this one. Close. First of all, first step, no, okay. First step is to make a new file. We will make new, okay, and then we will save as it. Save as. We will save from desktop. We will name it as, let's say, beam BA, okay, save. Oh, I forgot something. Save as. You have to give some extension. The extension will be dot f fbd. Yes, fbd. Beam ba dot fbd. Save. Then here we will type pointers. Print. It corresponds to print p1 point 1. We will give coordinate system of point 1 is, let's say, 0 0 0. It means x y z. We are printing point 1. The axis x y z axis are 0 0 0. Then print point 2. The x y z will be 100 0 0. Okay, we will save this one and then we will run a tools preprocess. Here we will go and click inside the black border of the CGX window. This black border which takes a big portion of the window. Click inside there. We will click inside there and we will type whatever we type it here will appear here in this output window of site. Plot PA. Okay. Whatever we type it here appeared here. Plot means draw. PA. Means point. A is corresponds to the name of pointers. We have P1, P2. So PA is corresponds to P1, P2. All it means set. It means the set that contains all pointers will be drawn by this command. We will enter P1 and P2 appears. Next we will add some lines. We will define line and then we will give the name L1, name of the line L1. It starts from P1 and ends by P2. P1 and P2 should be defined previously and they have been defined, assigned previously. Okay, and then we will add something 25. Okay, there is a point. Line is defining a line. The name is, or the label is L1. It starts from P1, ends by P2, and this line 1, is going to be divided by 25 smaller line segments. So it means it's whole line. The whole line will be divided into 25 portions or segment lines. There's something else. When we are defining each line independently, we cannot divide it more than 99. So if we write 99, it's okay. But if we want to divide it into more than 99 segments, CalculiX will not accept that. So if you have a line and we wanted to divide it into like 200 segment lines, so we have to make small lines like L1, L2, L3, L4, and then we will divide each line by the desired number in order to get the whole division more than 100, such as 200 or 300. So here we will write 25, enter, file, save. Okay, and now we will close this one, pre-process. Here we click here, plot. We will type plot PA all, and then plus LA all. LA means lion. L means line. A corresponds to the name of lines inside the all set. It means the set, whatever lines are available in this all set will be appeared inside CJX by plus LA all command. Enter. Here we see the line has appeared. Okay, so it's already saved. I will close this one, close this one. Okay, we had saved the file as beam.ba.fvd here on desktop. We will open it here directly. Here also we can make the geometry appear. Plot PA all plus LA all. Same thing appears here. And now we are going through the steps that are available on this website. We are going to model a cantilever beam. Okay. First of all, let's go to part 2. We will start from this window. Okay. Here, let's go back to SciTi. File. Open. We will open the previous page. Beam ba.fvd. Open. Okay. We will work on this one. We will make some changes. Okay. Here, all these codes are talking about how to make geometry of the cantilever beam. Here are the points have been defined, and here lines have been defined, and here lines have been grouped into an individual set, and then lines have been extruded, and then surfaces have been defined, and then surfaces were extruded. And here all these things were grouped into a single set called beam. Then after making the set of geometry, the mesh has been done. So we will talk about each one of them individually now. Let's copy this on pin P1 000, P2. P2 is 25. Pin P3 50 0 and P4 75 0 and P5 100 0. Line 1 starts from P1 to P2. Line L2 starts from P2 and ends by P3, and then the division is 25. Line L3, we will name L3, starts from P3, ends by P4, 25 division. Line L4 starts from P4, ends by 0.525. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Now just let's save this one. Save tools preprocess. Plot PA all. We had assigned 5 points and then plus LA all. Yeah, the lines have started from P1 to P2. This L1, L2, L3, L4. Each one of these lines have been divided into 25 segment lines. So this 25, 25, 25, 25, it will make it totally 100 line segment. And this division is good for meshing because we know that when meshing is going to be done throughout the model, it goes to divide the lines into smaller portions or into smaller line segments. So here we have already divided by each line into each smaller portion so that it will be ready for meshing. So right now here we have 100 line segment by having 25 from L1, 25 from L2, and 25 from L3, and so on, and total it makes 100. So 100 mesh will be here on this line. Then, okay, set A. Set A, it means we are making a new set containing some elements such as surfaces or lines or pointers. In this set A means making a set and adding. A means adding, set and adding items. The items which we add will be line. So first, after typing set A, we will give a name to that set. It will be lines. Okay. The name of the newly opened set is lines. And then you have to define line L just by typing L. After L, you have to write down all previously L's, such as L1, L2, L3, L4. Okay. Right now we have grouped lines into a new set called lines. Secondly, we will go to sweep. This command, it's extrusion, like extrusion. So right now we want those lines to be extruded like that, so that we will make it 2D. Now, right now, this geometry is 1D. In order to make it 2D, we will extrude each line upon